313. Today we are going to be starting area, which is also part of chapter 11 for our Go Math unit. And our objective today is I can explore the difference between finding the area of a figure from finding the perimeter of a figure. So we're going to be looking at what makes area different from perimeter. Remember that we know the perimeter is the measurement around the outside of an object. And to find perimeter, we count all the sides of a figure and then we add them all together. But area means that we are finding the amount of space inside a figure. And we can do that by counting the squares inside a shape or multiplying the side lengths. We'll get into that a little bit more later on. So again, how do we find area? Today, to find area, we count all the square units inside of a shape. In this shape right here, each square represents one square unit. So this is one square unit, this is one square unit, and so on. I can count one square unit at a time, or I can skip count by threes because there are 3 in each row. So I could count to find the area and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And my area is 9 square units. I could also have said 3, 6, 9, or done 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9 square units. And you want to remember that when we're doing area, it's always square units or square inches or whatever the unit is. Now we're going to solve a problem together. We're going to practice finding the area of a shape by counting the unit squares. So I'm going to get my marker, and it says, this shape is made of unit squares. What is the area of the shape? I like to always circle area or perimeter, whatever we're asked to find, so I know exactly what I'm finding. Here I'm finding the area. And if I count the unit squares, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my area is 10 square, which we can abbreviate as SQ units. And if I wanted to show the addition, I could do 5 plus 5 equals 10. Because there's 2 rows of 5. Let's try one more. Again, we're going to practice finding the area of a shape by counting the unit squares. And I'm going to change my marker color. And it says, this shape is made of unit squares. What is the area of the shape? So again, I circle area because that's what I'm finding. And I'm going to just count the unit squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again here, my area is 10 square units. And my handwriting is a little messy when I write on the computer. Now, what I think is really interesting is for this problem, the area was 10 square units. And for this problem, it's 10 square units. However, the figures look very different. That's okay. We still find the area the same way by counting the unit squares inside our figure.